In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files into one to combine PDF files on Windows. Before we start, make sure you know exactly which PDF files you want to combine and where they're saved on your computer. It's usually easiest if you put all the PDFs you're going to merge into a single folder, like your desktop or documents, so you don't have to hunt for them later. On Windows, one of the simplest ways to merge PDFs is to use a free, trusted online tool. Open your web browser and search for Merge PDF online. You'll see several websites that let you upload multiple PDF files and combine them into a single document. Choose a well-known site with good reviews and a clean, straightforward layout. Once you're on the Merge PDF page, look for a button that says something like Choose Files, Select Files, or Upload PDFs. Click that, then browse to the folder where your PDFs are stored. Hold down the Control key while clicking each PDF you want to combine, then click Open. You should now see all of your selected PDFs listed on the page. Most tools will show each PDF as a separate thumbnail or line item. This is your chance to put them in the right order. If you need to rearrange them, simply click and drag each file up or down until they appear in the sequence you want. The order you see here is the order they'll appear in the final merged document. So double-check that everything looks correct. Some tools also let you remove pages or rotate them before merging. If you see those options and need them, take a moment to adjust any pages. If you don't need extra editing, you can skip this and move straight to combining. Next, look for a button labeled Merge, Combine, or something similar, and click it. The website will process your files, which may take a few seconds or longer depending on their size and your internet speed. When it's done, you'll be given a link or button to download the new combined PDF. Click Download, then choose a folder and give your merged file a clear name so you can recognize it later, like Project Documents Merged. After it downloads, open the merged PDF to confirm that all pages are there, in the right order, and that everything looks the way you expect. That's it. You've successfully merged your PDF files into one on Windows.